Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are having a ton of laundry motivation. As you can see, I am standing in my laundry room. Don't mind it, it's a mess. Our laundry room is not complete. It's just how Canadian homes are built. Literally, you won't find any laundry room that is complete. Or maybe it's just my house, I don't know. But anyways, I am gonna show you guys the laundry products that I'm going to be using for us, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to be working with. I have so much to do, so this is going to take me pretty much all day to do, and I usually do laundry catch up either Monday or Tuesday, and yesterday was Monday, so I took a lazy day, and today I knew I had to just get it done and get you guys the motivation that you need, and I hope you do get motivated while watching me. So I'm gonna show you guys the products and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is our laundry detergent. We use this one. Oh, can you see it? It's the Ecos brand from, we get it from Costco. It is for sensitive skin. I had to get something that was sensitive for everybody because Ethan has very sensitive skin, and I was using other products for his clothes, and I was noticing that his skin just flares up anytime we change anything in his laundry routine. He does flare up, so I just decided to go ahead and use one detergent for everybody, and it's good for everybody. So yeah, that's why we chose this one. I haven't found another one that works well for us, so in the meantime we're gonna stick to this one until I do find something else. It has no scent, which I kind of don't like, but again, it works for us. Okay, the next one is the fabric softener. Now this one is so heavy. It's the Ultra Soft from Costco as well. The Kirkland brand. I only use it for our clothes, Jeremy and I, or my linen clothes. It's not for the kids because I'm very cautious of what I use on the kids, so they don't get any of that. And yeah, so that's just for me and Jeremy. And then the other thing that I've been adding to our laundry is this, oh my gosh, why can't you see it? There you go. It's the SCENTY washer whiffs. They smell so good. It's in the Amazon Rain scent. I cannot open it, but it smells so good. It's just little, looks like little sand in there. This smells, oh my gosh, it smells so good. I love it. I've been using this, and I also make samples out of it, and I give to my clients who order SCENTY from me, so I hope that they like it as much as I do. This again is just for me and Jeremy, or I use it, I like to use it for our towels. I just like that fresh smell of my towels when they come out of the dryer. So yeah, I don't do a ton. I don't use a lot of stuff. That's pretty much what I use. Oh, one more thing that I do use is vinegar, just white distilled vinegar. I like to add that to the towels as well, or our bed sheets and all that, just to get funky smells out, I guess. And it just disinfects everything. I also like to use it in our like tea towels, anything that I use for the dishes, and it takes out the misty smell. You know, when you use a tea towel for so long and you wipe the dishes with it, it kind of gets gross. So I like to use that to disinfect everything. So 4 things, not much, just simple things. So anyways, I'm gonna stop talking now, and we're gonna go ahead and get into the washing. So this is everybody's laundry here. We got Logan's basket, and then Ethan's. This is my husband's, and then that is mine. So as you can see, I have a ton of washing to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started.
think I'd try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. 'Cause now is the right time, and I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. You got me up tonight, 'cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. I won't be turning around, no, I won't be turning around. It's the right time. You feeling alright? I'm playing your game like I will win tonight. I think I'll do it on my way. I'm gonna show you what I'm going through, get you out of your comfort zone, 'cause I need more of the truth right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. 'Cause now is the right time, and I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. You got me up tonight, 'cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. I won't be turning around, no, I won't be turning around. It's the right time. You feeling alright? I'm playing your game like I will win tonight. Don't forget it, don't forget it, don't forget it. We'll turn this around. Don't forget it, don't forget it, don't forget it. We'll turn this around. I'll be yours if you let me hold you tight. But I don't know if you let me in, yeah. I know you had your heart broken one too many times, and now it's hard for you to open up. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel. But baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Let me show you what love is and why it's beautiful.
So I wanted to show you guys, off camera, I went through Logan's clothes because his laundry was the first that I did. And then I also went through his drawers and kind of organized it, put his shirts here, like KonMari style. I'm not sure if this is exactly how it's done, but if it's more this way. And I took out whatever clothes he's not going to wear anymore. I think summer is pretty much done. So, and this one are all his like jogging pants and the sets. So hopefully my husband will recognize that these things go together and dress him accordingly when I'm not home. And then these are just his jogging pants here. And then in this drawer I have his pajamas. He does have a lot of pajamas. He goes through a lot. So yeah, and then these are his jeans are here, and then just like regular pants right here. Yeah, I just figured I'll just do it off camera so I don't bore you guys with so much. But this is where I keep his socks, and these little underwears. We're gonna do potty training soon, so I bought those. And yeah, his little slippers that he wears in the house. And that's it.
I'll be yours if you let me hold you tight. But I don't know if you let me in, yeah. I know you had your heart broken one too many times, and now it's hard for you to open up. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel. But baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Let me show you what love is.
So I just came in Ethan's room. I gotta hang his sweaters, and then that's the clothes I just folded in here. I'm gonna go through his dresser and fold some stuff, and also do the same thing as I did for Logan, and take out pretty much stuff that he doesn't wear anymore. Like this drawer is empty, so I'm gonna have a lot of space for him. His pajamas, you see, they're all gone. I gotta organize all this, all of that, and then fold his shirts nicely. And then this is his sock drawer. It's quite messy, so I'm gonna do the same thing as I did for Logan's room and just get it done and get it organized.
Show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Let me show you what love is and why it's beautiful. Just put your body on top of mine, yeah. I won't treat you the same way as other girls who have no shame. No, I die for you. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel. But baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you.
All right, so these are all his shorts and some little clothes that I gotta throw out. These are so stained. I gotta go through all this again and see which ones I'm gonna keep for Logan for next summer, or which ones I'm throwing out, or what is for donation. I just donated like 4 big bags of stuff. Now I feel like I gotta do another load and do another trip, but yeah, it's worth it. Alright, so this is how I organized his socks. There's no other way to do it. I just put them in here, and it's easier for him to pick out which socks he wants because he likes to dress himself in the morning. This is still empty, so I'm gonna fill it up with something. I don't know. I'll probably rearrange everything. Then these are his PJs down here. He doesn't have much, I just realized, because I took out his summer ones. So we need to go shopping. Then up here, I have his short sleeves and then some long sleeves back here. And here I have his jogging pants and some uniform pants and just non-jeans, I guess. And then down here I got some of his jeans. He doesn't really have much, so I might have to go shopping for Ethan very, very soon. And then these are some of his uniforms as well.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. as the bass keep pounding on me, baby. I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love.
All right, you guys, it is the end. I have done it. I feel so proud of myself for doing this laundry and getting it over with. It's been a long day, but I'm just proud of myself that I actually went through with it. Usually I'm the type of person who does laundry, folds it, puts it away a couple days later, you know, 3 to 4 business days. I'm sure I'm not alone in this one, so I hope you got inspired and you got motivated through watching me. Hopefully not tired. I've had people tell me that they get tired just by watching me do cleaning videos, but I hope you didn't get tired because I know you probably have some laundry to do too. So anyways, if you're new, if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so before you leave. Hit that notification bell and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and your support really means a lot to me. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.